Continuing with the same series, now we are at question number 3. Which of the following set are equivalent or unequal or equal set? So we are given with the question number 1, A, the set of vowels in the English alphabet. So as you know, vowels are A, E, I, O, U. B, the set of all letters in the word vowel. So as you can see, A contains A, I, O, U. B contains V, O, W, E, L as alphabet. So number of cardinal element of A is 5. Cardinal element of B is also 5. But the elements are not equal, hence they are called as equivalent set. Next we are coming to question number 2. C is equals to 2, 3, 4, 5. D is X such that X belongs to whole number where it lies between 1 and 5. Because there is no equal to sign, so we take it lies between 1 and 5. As you can see, C can be represented 2, 3, 4, 5 and D can be represented 2, 3, 4. Hence N of C is equals to 4 element, N of D is equals to 3 element. C and D are unequal, hence therefore they are unequal sets. The cardinal number of C is 4, cardinal number of D is 3. They are not equal, they are unequal sets. Okay. Next we come to question number 3. X is a letter in the word life and Y equal to file. F, I, L, E. So as you can see, here also 4 letter, here also 4 letter, and all the elements are also equal. Hence we can write it like this: X, L, I, F, E, Y, F, I, L, E. So N of X equal to 4, N of Y is equal to 4. All the elements are same, hence X and Y are equal sets. Next question is, G is a prime number between 3 and 23. So 3 and 23 should not be included. And H is such that X is a divisor of X, 18. Divisor of 18. So we write the G element as 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. And H as 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So N of G is equals to 6 as there are 6 elements. So the cardinal number of G is 6, cardinal number of H is 6. Hence they are equivalent set. They are not equal just because the elements are not equal. Okay. Coming to question number 4, identify the following set as null set or singleton set. So A is given to us and such that X is a natural number. X lies between 1 and 2. So between 1 and 2 natural number, there is no number, and therefore it is a null set. Otherwise we can write like this: null set. This much is the answer. B, the set of all even natural number which are not divisible by 2. So there won't be any number which is even and not divisible by 2. So this is a null set, or we can write like this: null set. C contains only one element, that is 0, therefore it is a singleton set. D, set of all triangles having 4 sides. So set of all the triangles having 4 sides. So this is a null set. Just because triangles have only 3 sides, they cannot have 4 sides. Now question number 5. State which pair of set are disjoint or overlapping. So the first question, FIAS and B is equals to ANFHS. So as we can see, A is equals to FIAS and B is equals to ANFHS. These are the two sets given. So as you can see, F is there in both, S is there in both, and A is there in both. So if they are, these 3 elements are in both, we have to write like this: A, F, S in between. Then the remaining of A is I, remaining element of B is N and H. Since there are common element, hence therefore we call them as, this is an overlapping set. Next we are coming to question number 2. C is a prime number, x should be greater than 2, and in D, x even prime number. So according to the given question, greater than 2 we can write all the prime numbers as 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on, and even prime number is only 2. So if I write C here and D here, I have to write D here because there is D is not common in, so 2 is not there in C, and write all the elements separate here, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. So as you can see, the overlapping part is empty, hence therefore they are disjoint set. They are disjoint. So this is quite easy. E given as x is a factor of 24, f x is a multiple of 3, and x should be lesser than 30. So as you can see, factor of 24 and multiple of 3 will have something common, hence therefore they are overlapping. At least 3 will be there. 3 is a multiple of 24 and multiple of 3. 6 is a multiple of 24 and multiple of 3. Okay, then we are coming to next question number 6. S is given as square, rectangle, circle, rhombus, triangle. Is the element in the following set? The set of shape which has 4 equal sides. So 4 equal sides are square and rhombus. Set of shape which has radius. So only circle has radius. Set of shape, we can represent this by A, represent this by B. Set of shape in which sum of all interior angles is 180 degree. So it's just a triangle. C is equals to set of shape which have 5 sides. So you can see this is empty because they are all 4-sided figure except for triangle and circle. Okay. Thank you. Subscribe for the channel for the latest update. Share with your friends.